If VRC works for me, then it is going to be wonders. SimCAT take homes are more tuned to CAT 2023 difficulty. Hello everyone and welcome to the video. I gave IMS SimCAT take home 1 and take home 2, and we are going to discuss my scores, percentiles, my experience. And before that, मैं बात करने वाला हूँ CAT 2020 स्लॉट 1, 2 and 3 के QS सेक्शन को मैंने दिया था एंड उसके स्कोर्स एंड परसेंटाइल के बारे में बात करूँगा. एंड DILR स्लॉट 1 एंड स्लॉट 2 भी मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया था, उसके भी स्कोर एंड परसेंटाइल के बारे में मैं बात करूँगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्वांट सेक्शन. CAT 2022 slot 1 I scored 30 marks and percentile is 85 percentile. and जितने भी मैंने सेक्शनल्स दिए हैं क्वांट सेक्शन और DILR के, वो मैंने क्रैकू के वेबसाइट पे दिए हैं. तो ये वो परसेंटाइल नहीं है जो एक्चुअल कैट में मुझे मिलता. अगर मैंने एक्चुअल कैट लिखा होता तो ये वो परसेंटाइल है जिन्होंने सेक्शनल लिखा है एंड उसके हिसाब से ये परसेंटाइल है. ओके, स्लॉट 1 स्कोर्ड 30, परसेंटाइल इज़ 85. स्लॉट 2 स्कोर्ड 45. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इन दिस सेक्शनल इन 30 मिनट्स मैंने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 8 क्वेश्चंस बनाए थे एंड उसके बाद के जितने क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मेरे 10 मिनट्स में बने हैं. ऐसा बोला जा सकता है कि आई वाज इन अ फ्लो स्टेट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो द स्कोर इज़ 45 एंड परसेंटाइल इज़ 98.42. very good percentile. And slot 3 scored 33, percentile is in 80s, again something in 80s. I forgot the percentile, I forgot to write the percentile. So the quant sections of 2022 were easy, kind of smooth, है ना, and easy. There were easily 10-12 questions that could have been attempted by an average student like me. So try to give the quant section on the Krakow website and tell me your scores. Now talking about the DILR section, I wrote slot 1 and slot 2 of CAT 2022. I was not able to write the slot 3 today because of the time constraints. So let's talk about the score and percentile. I attempted 9 questions, got 6 correct and scored 15 marks. Percentile is 75.23 in slot 1. Actually what happened, I misunderstood one line and due to it I messed up, but that is fine. And slot 2 attempted 9 questions, got 8 correct, scored 23 marks, 1 incorrect, and percentile is 85.13. The CAT 2022 sets were doable. In all the slots there was at least one set that could have been done easily. A student good in DILR could have done 2.5 or 3 sets also, but 2 sets could have been done easily. Okay, so we are going to talk about SimCAT take home 1 and VRC. I attempted 17 questions, got 10 correct and scored 23 marks. Percentile is 87.40. Percentile is quite good according to the marks, and the VRC section was quite heavy, not easy to read. एक कमेंट में मुझे पहले बोला गया था कि थोड़ा सा VRC सेक्शन वेग है, so that is fine. In DILR attempted 5 questions, got 5 correct, scored 15 marks and the percentile is 82.38. Talking about the DILR, I scored 15 marks and got 82.38 percentile and 16 marks पे 85 percentile था. तो इसका मतलब कि बहुत लोगों ने एक सेट ही बनाया and sets were heavy, not easy to solve. एक सेट बनाया जा सकता था एंड उसके बाद डिफ़िकल्टी हो रहा था नेक्स्ट सेट पे जाने की वजह से. दूसरा सेट मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा बनाया था बट नहीं बना पाया था, तो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू टिक द ऑप्शंस. Talking about the quant section, I attempted 14 questions, got 11 correct, scored 32 marks. Percentile is 97.51. Very good score, very good percentile. Quant section saved the mock. And overall I scored 70 marks and percentile is 96.12. Very good marks, very good performance according to the mock. The mock was not easy. And tell me your scores. आप कैसा अटेम्प्ट किया एंड हाउ इज योर स्कोर्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द SimCAT टेक होम 2. In VRC section I attempted 20 questions, got only 9 correct, scored 18 marks and the percentile is 74.5. Bad performance, not a good performance, and score is also not that good. In DI I attempted 6 questions, got 6 correct and scored 18 marks. Percentile is 97.96. आप देख सकते हैं कि 18 मार्क्स पे ही 97.96 percentile. You can judge the level of difficulty of the DILR section by the score and the percentile itself. In quant I attempted 10 questions, got 8 correct, scored 22 marks. I did some silly mistake in 2 questions, and that is why I scored 22 marks. Percentile is 96.11, and overall score 58. Percentile is 95.79 percentile. In the VRC section, I messed up because I gave second thoughts to the options, and जिसके वजह से टाइम भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा, and I ended up marking the wrong option. So I scored low, but ठीक है. And I would like to say one thing कि the SimCat take homes अभी तक जो मैंने ऊपर के 2 दिए हैं 1 and 2, the level of difficulty is tuned to CAT 2023. Tell me about your scores and experience also. That was all about this video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.